Hey, welcome back to West Tips. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make your own pigment and paint mixing videos. And you can have your first one done in about 5 minutes with nothing to buy and zero editing skills required. I'll walk you through the entire AI workflow, starting with a single prompt. If I run a cloud or ChatGPT that generates your complete video structure. A plugin theme by sync image prompt and video prompt automatically. From there, I'll show you how to bring every scene to life inside Google Flow here and how to download your clip scan and edit them together with smooth transitions. I will even show you how to get a fully SEO optimized title, description, and hashtags, all written for you by here. So the whole upload is ready to go. This method works for both love proper videos and shorts. And right now, only a handful of channels are actually using it. So if you want to get into this niche while it is still wide open, let's get started. If you're not subscribed yet to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and get subscribed to this channel. Let's go. One short, 227 million views, not the channel, one single short. And the channel behind it, it's uploading nothing but simple, relaxing paint mixing videos. 43 million on this one, 29 million, 24 million, video after video after video. Another channel is doing the same exact thing in long form, 1.1 million, 1.7 million, 2 million views per video. And these aren't old videos riding luck. This niche is exploding right now, today. Now here's the part nobody's talking about. I searched this entire niche and found only 4 or 5 channels doing it. 4 or 5 on all of YouTube. The door is wide open, but the moment a niche like this gets exposed, hundreds of channels flood in. The people watching this video today are the ones who own it. In the next few minutes, I'm handing you the exact process, long form and shorts, using 100% free AI tool. No camera, no editing software, no experience, nothing to buy. But listen carefully, this process only works if you follow every step in order. There's one step in the middle that looks small. Most people rush past it, and it's the exact difference between a video with 300 views and a video with 227 million. I won't tell you which one it is. You'll have to catch it. And at the very end, and the video playing on your screen right now, I made it myself with a free AI tool in just 5 minutes. That's it. Look at it. Now compare it to that 227 million view short. Almost impossible to tell apart. So let's start painting yours. All right. Step number 1, and I've already saved you hours here. To make this type of video, everything starts with one thing, the prompt. And I'm not making you write it yourself. Just type send me prompt in the comments below. That's higher, and you'll get my complete prompt in the Google Doc. This one prompt builds the entire structure of your video from start to finish. Now copy the whole prompt from that doc. Copy every single line, leave even one out and the output breaks. Then head over to Claude AI or ChatGPT, whichever you use, both work. Paste the prompt, hit generate, and watch what happens. The AI doesn't just spit out a script, it starts interviewing you, like your own personal producer. It asks, what format? Choose long-form episodes. How many videos in this batch? Type 1. Who supplies the concepts? Select you suggest concepts for me. The AI does the thinking for you. Then it asks for your style lanes. And this is where you pick what actually goes viral. I chose metallic collision, the chrome and gold mixes, the highest click-through style in this whole niche, plus guess the final color, because it forces viewers to stay till the reveal. For extras, I added dreamy pastels and neon UV glow. And finally, episode length. Select standard. 8 scenes, about a minute and a half. Answer every question. Don't skip a single one, because your answers here decide everything the AI builds next. And what does it generate from this? This is where it gets good. Now watch closely, because this is where the AI turns into a full production machine. The moment your answers lock in, phase 1, the concept engine, kicks off. And since I picked a long-form episode of 1 to 2 minutes, that's exactly what I'm teaching you to build. An 8 to 10 scene video, the same length pulling millions of views in this niche. Claude instantly drops a complete list of ready-made video concepts right in front of me. Real topics, already researched, already viral ready. All you do is pick the one you like. I'm going with number 1, so I just type 1 in the prompt box and hit generate. And this is the part that honestly shocked me. Claude builds the entire blueprint of the video, a full scene-by-scene breakdown of everything that happens in your episode. And right below it, the first image prompt, the second image prompt, and then video prompts for both of those images. Your whole first scene, visuals and motion already written for you, word for word. Then Claude asks, want scene 2? Just type next and it generates the next scene the exact same way. But wait, don't type next yet. We're not touching scene 2 until scene 1 is alive on spree. First, we take these prompts we're going to get action images in Zydio, and the free tool we're about to use for that is where this whole method really comes together. Time to bring this to life, and this is where the magic actually happens. The tool we're using is Google's Flow AI, and on the pro version, but if you want the complete free method, type free version in the comments and I'll drop that video next. Now follow me exactly. Open Flow AI, click New Project, hit the Settings button and select Image, because images come first, video after. Then the aspect ratio, pay attention here. This is where people ruin their videos before they even start. Making shorts, set it to 9:16. Making long form like us, 16:9. Set the number of images to 2, paste your first image prompt from Claude, and hit generate. While that's cooking, go back to Claude, copy image prompt number 2, paste it into Flow, and generate again. Both images ready? Look at these. This is free AI, remember that. Now here's the part where most people mess up, so watch closely. Click the 3 dots on your first image and hit Add to Prompt. Then go back into Settings, and this time, switch from image to video. Select the video generation model. Now go back to Claude one more time and copy the video prompt, the one it wrote right below your 2 image prompts. Paste it into Flow, and here's the key. Upload only the first image, not the second. Just the first. That's exactly how the viral channels get that clean, seamless mixing motion. Hit generate, and look at that. Our first scene is alive. Real paint, real motion, completely AI. But one scene isn't a video. Here's how we build the rest. Fast. Scene 1, done. Now watch how fast the rest of this goes, because from here, it's a pure copy-paste loop. Go back to Claude, type next in the box, and hit generate. Boom. Claude instantly delivers your Scene 2 packages, 2 fresh image prompts, and the video prompt to match. Same drill as before. Back to Flow AI. Switch from video to image in settings. Keep the number of images at 2. Paste image prompt 1. Generate. Copy image prompt 2 from Claude. Paste. Generate again. Then click those 3 dots on your first image. Add to prompt. Flip settings back to video. Grab the video prompt from Claude. Paste it in and generate. Scene 2. Ready. You see what's happening here? Claude writes. Flow creates. You just move the prompts. Type next again. Scene 3 package appears. Next. Scene 4. Next. 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 8 scenes total, the same loop every time. No thinking, no writing, no guessing. This is why I said 5 minutes. The system does the work, you're just the messenger. So go ahead and generate all 8 of your scenes right now. I'm doing the same. And once all your clips are sitting there ready, we hit the step where this pile of AI clips turns into the actual video that gets pushed to millions of people. That step's coming up right now. And there it is. All 8 scenes generated. But hold on. See that? Every single clip has a watermark stamped on it. And I know what you're thinking. This could ruin the whole video. Because let's be real, a watermark instantly screams AI made and kills that premium, satisfying look these viral channels have. Well, good news, I've already solved this for you. I made a complete video showing exactly how I download my clips clean, without the watermark, and the link is sitting in the description below. Go check it after this, and look at my screen. Every clip downloaded, completely clean, ready to use. This is non-negotiable, by the way. Skip this and upload watermarked clips. Your video will never look like that 227 million view short. So, full video generated, all clips downloaded clean. Now we're at the final stretch, turning these 8 clips into one finished, upload-ready video. And remember that one small step I told you most people rush past at the beginning? We're almost there. Stay with me. Clips downloaded. Now the final step. Editing. And relax, this takes 2 minutes. Open any video editing software. Whatever you have works. Click import, bring in all your clips, and drop them on the timeline in order. First clip, second clip, and wait. Stop right there. See this? One of my clips didn't generate correctly. The AI messed it up. This happens sometimes, and here's the fix. Just go back to Flow AI and regenerate that 1C. 30 seconds. Done. Never upload a broken clip. Viewers feel it instantly. Now, remember that one small step I told you about at the very beginning? The one most people rush past. The difference between 300 views and 227 million? This is it. Transitions. Click the transition option at the top corner. Go to Basic and apply a transition between every single clip. This is exactly what makes those viral videos feel like one smooth, hypnotic, endless mix instead of 8 random AI clips glued together. Skip this, and your video screams amateur. Apply it, and it's indistinguishable from the biggest channels in the niche. Once it looks right, hit export, and your video is saved, finished, ready. But Claude saved the best for last. Scroll down in your chat, it's already written your complete SEO package, optimized title, full description, hashtags, even the timestamps. Everything YouTube needs to push your video, done for you. All that's left, upload. That's the entire system. One free prompt, one free tool, 5 minutes of work. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. And go watch the watermark removal video linked in the description right now, because without it, your clips aren't upload ready. See you there.